Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified on all my new videos. Also, if you like this video, please remember to click the thumbs up button and share this video and leave me a comment down below. So today I am sharing this video and letting you see all the stuff that I'm going to be working on here pretty soon. This is all the flowers and floral stuff that we've got for my daughter's wedding, and this is what I'm going to be working on here. And this is some stuff that I had from BB Craft, so this is going to work out perfect because I'm going to be probably using this, and I needed to do a BB Craft project using it, so that's going to work out. Also, this came from BB Craft as well, and I'm needing to use it. So that works out great because I'm going to be wrapping the bridesmaid handles with, I think, some of that, and probably using it in some other ways as well. So because I thought about using this, and I thought, well, no, this was something from an old bouquet that I had used and I pulled it apart. But then I have a bunch of other things. This came from a Michael's grab bag. I'll have a whole bunch of them, so I don't know if I'll be using any of that. It's not really the right shade. This is really pink, but I don't know if I'll be incorporating any of that or not. These are all the flowers that I'm going to be using in her bouquet. Aren't they beautiful? We need another white Georgia rose, I told her, so we're going to go to that. Most of these came from Hobby Lobby. This is going to be the Maid of Honors. I've kind of started on that. I'm going to be putting a little bit more to that. So I'm just kind of playing around, getting an idea of what I'm doing. We had to go get some cutters because these stems are very hard to cut. They're very thick, as you can see. And she had bought these, and these are great for these thin wires, but for these thicker ones, especially these here, they did not cut. So we went to Michael's today and we bought these, and these are great. These were like $24 or something. So the lady said, yeah, if I didn't like them, they didn't work right for me, of course this was the last pair, I could bring them back. So I went ahead, me and her tried them out, and they made a nice clean cut. I tried them on the thickest one I had, and they worked really well. This one's a little flimsier, so I know they're going to work fine, but this was a very stiff. This Georgia rose was really hard to cut, I remember. So I know they're going to cut fine on this. I think I cut one somewhere. So I thought, okay, they cut. So that's all I needed to know. So yes, if you have these big, thick flowers, I suggest getting these right here. And this was the packaging. They're made by Ashland, and sorry about the shadow, but this was the packaging right here. And there's because I tell you what, those were a pistol to cut. I mean, these were good. These are Craftsman and all. These were like supposed to cut heavy duty wire and all. But I think because there was no spring action in these, you see how they open up and there's a spring in them. So it gave you more of a better grip for heavy duty cutting. So especially if you have any kind of arthritis or carpal tunnel or anything in your hands, and they have a bigger, you can see there, they do have a bigger bite on them. So yeah, I recommend these for these thicker stems. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be doing some videos on all these flowers here coming up. Also, while I was there, they right next to not the florals, but the wedding section, on the other side of the wedding section, I turned around and looked, and I have not been out. It's felt like a year, but it has been, oh, I can't even tell you. The last time I've been out of my house was going to my doctor's office the beginning of March. And I bet you I haven't been to Michael's in a year. I can't even tell you the last time. I know it's got to have been at least a year since I've been to Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby, anywhere. I just never get to get out anymore. The only reason I went out was to help her find the floral wire and what I was needing. And I don't even know what she's done with that floral wire, because this should be sitting here. I don't know where she's put it. But I needed a pack of floral wire, and she had no idea what I was talking about, because she doesn't know anything about, oh, it's sitting right here, floral wire. You know, a pack of floral wire. If anybody's done any flowers, y'all know what I'm talking about. But she didn't. And I kept saying I needed some floral wire, you know, stiff, because I had this kind, you know. But I needed something that was stiffer. That was 26 gauge. This is 20, so this is a little stiffer here. And I think this is going to work. I probably needed something even a little bit, excuse me, stiffer, but I think this will be good. So I got that so that I could wire some flowers down inside the arrangements and all. When I, you know, start picking stuff off like this and want to put things down inside. So I knew she didn't know what I was talking about. So I thought, and then I wanted to find some cutters, because she couldn't figure out what cutters I was talking about. Excuse me. So that was the only reason I went. I had gloves that I took, and I had my mask on and everything. And then of course she had to push me through a wheelchair, because I couldn't even walk, because I have to use a cane, and I was hurting so bad today. So I really didn't even want to go out. But anyway, like I said, turn around, look on the other side, and they had their Happy Planner stickers. And I was like, oh gosh, I need to get out of here. I said, because I don't need to be looking at that. And she says, well, they're 30% off. And I was like, oh no, don't tell me that. So anyway, she says, do you have any money? And I was like, well, yeah, matter of fact, I do. She says, well, why don't you get you some while you're here? So we started to look, and she says, I mean, yeah, you might as well. I mean, you're right here. They're on sale, you know, you might as well if they're on sale and you're here. I was like, yeah, I guess I should. So we started looking, and I knew I wanted this one. That was the first one I saw. So I got this one, the Faith Warriors. And I'll open it and show you. It's one of those books that's got the pads on one side, and then all the stickers on the other. Just do a kind of real quick flip through here of them. And then this one is the Happy Illustrations. And it is so cute. Let me just look how cute these are. So I was really so happy to just get this, because I was need some new stickers. I use my stickers all the time in my planning and stuff, so I was, well, I tell you what, I was running out. So, and haven't bought any, I guess since I don't know, last year, or at the beginning of the year when I bought my planter. I had 2 packs that I bought. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, and that was what I got. And that's about it. So y'all let me know in the comments below who would be interested in seeing the flowers that I do for the wedding. And because I'm going to be definitely doing some videos if y'all are interested. And I hope y'all would be, because I haven't done floral arrangements and for weddings. I used to do that a lot. Haven't done them in, oh goodness, over 20 years. Because it was back when, actually before I even gave birth to Shelby, I used to do quite a few for our church. And then just a few, I think maybe after I had her. I can't even remember, but most of them I think I did before I ever got pregnant with her. So, yeah, things have changed since then and everything. A lot of different types of styles, new ways and everything. But, she asked me if I would do her flowers for her, and, you know, I said I would. That's all she wants me to do. You know, she really wasn't sure if she wanted me to do that, but she knew I was, you know, used to do that, and I was good at it. And she says, I want you to do that, but that's it. And so anyway, I'm going to be doing that for her. And so I've got to get that done. And see, her shower is this weekend, and her wedding is the August the 8th, so that's coming up here real soon. So I've got to get busy here pretty soon, but I've got to wait until we get that other rose. I want to start with her bouquet, and then I'm going to do her maid of honor, and then the other bridesmaids, and then I'll work down to corsages and boutonnieres and so forth. So yes, just leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and remember to subscribe, and please keep watching for more videos. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a very blessed day, and I'll see you again soon. Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Well, oh goodness.